Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see that how can you change your Instagram password from your PC. So what you need to do for this is open up your Instagram profile in your web browser, and once you are in your profile just click on the score icon that says options, but it is actually a settings option. So go to settings and privacy. This would open up a page like this that has a heading of settings. So in this you find this section that says Meta Account Center. So go to password and security. In this would open up the account center for Meta. Now all the profiles that are connected with this particular page would be shown over here. Now you can choose the Instagram profile whose password you want to change. So I want to change password for this Instagram profile. So let's just click on this profile, and here you will be able to see all these information about the profile, like its name, username, profile picture, and if you have created an avatar or not. And if you want to manage this profile, just click on this manage button, or just to the very bottom, and then you would be able to get information so that you can be very sure that which profile password you want to change. Then come to password and security. Under the account settings, go to change password. Here once you're sure of the account, just select that particular account, and you can just type in your current password, your new password, and again retype your new password and click on change password. That is how your password would be changed. There are some set of rules that Instagram suggests that you should follow, and these rules you can read over here, and that's how you can change your password in Instagram. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.